and welcome to this mini series 8 different ways of writing the alphabet. Today we're on the letter H. My name is Patrizia, I'm a stationery designer and calligrapher, and I'm based in Switzerland. And in this series I'm going to show you 8 different ways of writing the H in real time, so you can see exactly how long it takes me to write one letter. I'm going to be using my oblique pen and my deep dark black ink for this whole series. I hope you enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Which H did you like best? Let me know in the comments below. As always, if you like my letters, please grab my free tracing worksheet. The link is in the description below. Stick around because there are more letters to come. Bye!